Nitrogen is one of the essential elements for plant growth, and it is crucial for farmers and gardeners to understand the nitrogen cycle. In this video, we will explain what the nitrogen cycle is and how it pertains to farmers and gardeners. What is the nitrogen cycle? The nitrogen cycle is the process by which nitrogen is converted into different forms in the environment. Nitrogen is present in the air we breathe, but plants cannot absorb it in this form. Nitrogen must be converted into other forms such as ammonia, nitrate, and organic nitrogen so that plants can use it for growth. The nitrogen cycle can be broken down into several stages. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen gas in the air is converted into ammonia by nitrogen-fixing bacteria in the soil or in symbiotic relationships with certain plants, such as legumes. Nitrification. Ammonia is converted into nitrite and then nitrate by nitrifying bacteria in the soil. Assimilation. Plants absorb nitrate and convert it into organic nitrogen for growth. Mineralization. Organic nitrogen in dead plant and animal matter is broken down into ammonium by decomposing bacteria. Denitrification. Nitrate is converted back into nitrogen gas by denitrifying bacteria, completing the cycle. The importance for farmers and gardeners. Farmers and gardeners need to understand the nitrogen cycle because it directly affects the growth and health of their crops. Nitrogen is a major component of fertilizers, which provide plants with the necessary nutrients for growth. Understanding the nitrogen cycle can help farmers and gardeners make informed decisions about fertilizer application and ensure that their plants receive the proper nutrients. Over-fertilization can lead to nitrogen runoff, which can pollute waterways and harm aquatic ecosystems. By understanding the nitrogen cycle, farmers and gardeners can reduce their use of fertilizers and prevent environmental damage. In conclusion, the nitrogen cycle is a complex process that is essential for plant growth and the health of ecosystems. Farmers and gardeners who understand the nitrogen cycle can make informed decisions about fertilizer application, reduce their environmental impact, and ensure that their crops thrive. By working with the natural processes of the nitrogen cycle, we can create a sustainable and healthy environment for plants, animals, and humans alike.